Hey guys, so this video is on makeup and hair. So just a heads up, I did a lot of things wrong in this video. I'm just gonna fess up and say it. I did a lot of stuff wrong, but I realize that now, and I will definitely be changing things up in my next video. But I'll make sure to point those out as they come up, I guess. Okay, but right now I am just doing my eyebrows. I'm using this e.l.f. pomade, which is amazing because it helps me define my brows perfectly without me having to go on and retrace them and all that extra stuff. So I'm just tracing them with the little brow pencil, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill them in, brushing them out, making sure there are no sparse hairs or anything like that. I really do love this brow pomade. It is a little too dark maybe, but I don't think I'm putting too much on. I think I'm putting just the right amount. And then obviously I'm going to go ahead and add some concealer. This is my favorite concealer by LA Girls. This is the Pro Concealer. This I believe is in Cool Tan. I will put all of the makeup details down in the description, so make sure you check there for the specifics on all the makeup that I use. But I usually try to go ahead and define my eyebrows usually with an LA Girl concealer, because these I feel like are the best. You want to blend until your arms ache. That is the main thing. It's all about blending. If you're not blending, then you'll look a hot mess. So I'm making sure I'm blending. I'm just using a little sponge, nothing fancy, just a little sponge to make sure I'm blending everything together. Now, Black Radiance. Oh my gosh, you guys, this, okay, first off, this is where I went wrong. I probably should not have put a second concealer on top, especially this Black Radiance one, because it is a little heavy. But I put some on anyway, thinking that it will be fine. And it's not a bad idea, but you'll see when I put this eyeshadow on, it is a little like stuck to the concealer, so it makes it hard for the eyeshadow to go on smoothly. And this is supposed to be the base color, so that's definitely a thing I would try to avoid. I would probably only use one concealer, at least to start, on your eyelid. So I am able to put the brown shadow on, so this is what I'm using as my base color. And then another thing I did wrong, I was using a bigger brush, so the eyeshadow was falling everywhere. So definitely use a smaller brush. Now I'm just going ahead with this gold eyeshadow, filling in the crease area with the gold shadow. Again, I probably should have used a gold that is more pigmented, but this gives it like, a nice little gold shimmer, so it's fine. And I'm just blending it on my lid, adding a little bit on top of the brown as well. And now I'm gonna go ahead, and this is a trick that I saw on someone's Instagram page where they put concealer on their lid and then they looked up, and where they looked up at, it created where the cut crease should be. I suck at cut creases, but I would definitely get better. But this is just a strategy that I tried and I failed on, but whatever. So I just put concealer on and figured something would have to work. So excuse this look, because yeah, this was not working out for me. Definitely not. And this is the face that you make when you're just like, what the heck did I just do? Oh my freaking gosh. But I'm gonna roll with it. So I'm gonna put some like a little red fuchsia color on the inner and outer corners of my eyelids, because I wanted to create some kind of look. I honestly don't know at this point. I was just winging it, you guys. I was just trying to get something on because I figured I ruined it with the concealer, but it ended up kind of cool. So again, I'm just putting some shadow on the inner and outer corners, just making sure that it's packed on there pretty good. Again, this is pretty pigmented, so I wanted to make sure that it was popping out. Again, I went in to put some eyeshadow on that concealed spot. Right here, I really don't know what I was doing, but I was just putting it on top of the concealer. So I just went in with the pink shadow that I was using and put it on in the middle, right where the concealer is. And then I'm in a few seconds, I'll be blending that in with some gold as well, just with the other brush, just blending it together so it doesn't look as harsh. Yep, so I'm just blending it in so it doesn't look as super harsh with the gold that's up there already. Now I'm just putting my foundation on, Black Opal, you guys. This is an an awesome foundation stick. It blends with my skin tone really well. This is the brush that I'm using to blend in my foundation. I like these kind of brushes as well. I just find that they just help everything go on a lot smoother. I usually use like a beauty blender, but I find my beauty blender is better when I use concealer and stuff like that. So I'm just blending in my foundation with this brush, making sure all the pieces are covered. This also is some foundation from Cover FX, and I'm using it as concealer because I just wanted to try something different. So I already figured I was already messing up, so I might as well try something else. So I figured I would try this foundation. Yeah, so this is me just playing around because I'm like, you know what, this look is horrible. This won't even go anywhere. So yeah, I was just having fun, being stupid, being me, making a bunch of random faces and all that good stuff. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I added this in there. Oh my gosh, whatever. Okay, so I am just blending in the foundation, aka what I'm using as concealer, and just, you know, making sure that I'm focusing underneath my eyes and everywhere where I put the foundation so it looks a little lighter, because I do want that contrast. So I am just blending it all in, and then I'm using another concealer stick from Black Radiance as well. This is darker. The other one was light. This is, I think, dark, and I'm just adding it you know, in the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, and like the bottom chin area. I probably, again, should have used a different kind of brush to blend it out, or maybe an actual beauty blender. But I was just trying to use different products and different brushes just to see, you know, what the outlook would be. And I was having to, you know, brush a little harder than necessary with this kind of brush because it is like a stippled brush, so it's just, you know, flat-ended. But I mean, I got it to, you know, blend in how I wanted it to. It just took a lot longer, which I didn't really like, but I was able to blend everything in. You can tell where, you know, I kind of have that contoured look. Just making sure that I you know, do where my nose is and everything else is like that. Then I'm gonna go in with some powder. You guys, this setting powder is awesome. It is Banana Yellow by LA Girls again. This reminds me of like the Sasha, you know, powder because of how yellow it is, and it does really adhere to the concealer, or the foundation rather, that I put on. So it does give you that really bright contrast when you do go to brush it all in. So it looks really, really awesome. So if you don't have it, I definitely recommend going out and getting this powder, or at least some powder that's you know, with like a yellow hint to it, because it does really help with that contrast that you're trying to get when you do the contour. And now I'm just adding some pencil eyeliner. I'm putting pencil eyeliner on my inner lower lash line and on my upper lids as well, because I'm going to be putting some lashes on, and I want the lashes, you know, I want it to blend in, so I don't want you to be able to see the differentiation between my lid and my lashes and the actual false lashes. I'm pretty horrible at putting lashes on. I hate filming it because it literally takes me at least 5 minutes to put on an eyelash, but I kept some of my struggles in here so you guys see that, you know, we're not perfect. I struggle with putting lashes on. I hate putting lashes on, but I like the end result because they look amazing. So that's just me struggling with the lashes, and I have contacts, so glue kept getting in my eye, whatever, but hey, they're on, they look good. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and brush everything together. My grammar is horrible. Brush everything together, make sure it's blended, and I'm gonna go on and put some mascara on. You guys, this mascara is amazing. If you're interested, let me know. I sell it. It is awesome. And now I'm just going and putting some more eyeshadow on. This is the same pink that I put on in the middle, so I'm just adding that in the corner. Now I'm gonna put my highlighter on. This is not the normal highlight that I use. I usually use another Black Radiance palette, but this is some from Maybelline, so I decided to add some of that on in the, you know, little areas. This lipstick, I sell this lipstick too. It lasts literally all day. I can kiss people and my lipstick stays on. I can drink water and my lipstick is not on the rim of the glass. This stuff is long lasting and it's amazing. Let me know if you want to buy one. I got them for sale. And I'm just using some spray just to lock everything in place with my awesome setting spray. And I'm gonna do my hair, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm curling my hair for you guys. This is probably the simplest way I can show you guys how to curl your hair. I just section it off, small sections, twist it back. I should have had a clip, but I was just trying to do it last minute. So I just take the curling iron or straightener and just twirl around, hold it for a few seconds, and then slide it out. So again, slide it one time through, another time, start twirling right away, twist down, hold at the end, twirl back up, and slide out. Hopefully I'm not going too fast, but you guys are watching it so you can see. But yeah, so you just take a small section. I'm just sectioning off the bang area. Take a small section, run the straightener through, and then take it and twist backwards and keep twisting a little bit. When you get to the end, hold it and twist back up and then slide out. So run it through one time, then on the second time, twirl backwards, twist, hold down, hold at the end, twist back up, hold again, slide out. The last time for the back, one more time, slide through, slide, twirl back, hold down, slide, twist back up, and slide out. Woo. Yes, so pretty much easy, you guys. The front can be a little bit harder if you don't really know what you're doing, but same thing, go around one time, twist going backwards, slide it down, twirl at the end, hold, and then slide out. It's really all. Again, slide one time through, twist backwards, twirl, 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 hold at the end, twist back up, and slide out. Oh, and now I'm just finger combing it because it's still kind of hot, so it'll still kind of form. Just twisting and twirling and flipping and flapping. And this is just me showing you guys my hair. Awesome, awesome, super quick curls. And I recently bleached it, so that's why I was like super all pumped about my hair. I'll be posting a video of how I bleached it soon. Thanks for watching.